राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वक नमस्काराः। शिवानन्दलहर्याः कक्ष्यायां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्। अद्य वयं यथा पूर्वम् उक्तं पुनरावर्तनं करिष्यामः। सर्वे सिद्धाः इति मन्ये। ये याश्च वक्तुम् इच्छन्ति कृपया हस्तम् उपरि कुर्वन्तु। तत्र ऐकान् अस्ति, तत्र क्लिक् कुर्वन्तु। So today we are going to have the revision session of Shivananda Lahari verses 21 to 30. A warm welcome to all of you. As noted in the WhatsApp group, we have uploaded the PDF in Devanagari of verses 1 to 100 as a Word document. Some of you said you're not able to find it. I logged into my page and I viewed the course page, and there under the course lessons, you have the PDF uploaded. If I share the link, it will share my course page, as in each of us has to log in to view our learning path. So it will be different for each person. So please log into your account and you will be able to find it in Shivananda Lahari. I checked and it has been uploaded. If there are any discrepancies you find in that text while practicing, please let us know. It is proofread, but still, we are still going through another round of proofreading. In the meanwhile, we have uploaded for your reference. So if there's anything you have a doubt with, you can let us know. So, Guru Vandanam Uktva, Vayam Kakshayaha Prarambham Kurmaha. Sarve Kripaya Guru Vandanam Vadantu. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करम् सौन्दर्यलहरी कर्त्रे सर्वमङ्गलदायिने शङ्कराचार्यवर्याय यतिराजाय ते नमः। शङ्कारूपेण मच्चित्तं पङ्कीकृतमभूद्यया किङ्करीयस्य सा माया शङ्कराचार्यमाश्रये प्रह्लादवरदो देवो यो नृसिंहः परो हरिः नृसिंहोपासकं नित्यं तन्नृसिंहगुरुं भजे श्री सच्चिदानंद शिवाभिनव्य नृसिंह भारत्यभिधान्यतीन्द्रान् विद्यानिधीन् मन्त्रनिधीन् सदात्मनिष्ठान् भजे मानव शम्भुरूपान् सदात्मध्याननिरतं विषयेभ्यः पराङ्मुखम् नौमि शास्त्रेषु निष्णातं चन्द्रशेखर भारतीम् विवेकिनं महाप्रज्ञं धैर्यौदार्यक्षमानिधिं सदाभिनवपूर्वन्तं विद्यातीर्थगुरुं भजे भारती करुणापात्रं भारती पदभूषणं भारती पदमारूढं भारती तीर्थमाश्रये भारती तीर्थवर्यन्तं भक्तहृत्तापनाशनं भवभीतिहरं देवं भावये सततं हृदि विद्या विनय संपन्नौ वीतरागौ विवेकिनं वन्दे वेदान्त तत्त्वज्ञौ विधुशेखर भारतीम् अनंत गुण संपन्नाम् अनन्ताभिधयाश्रुताम् अनंत ज्ञानदात्रीं तां मातरं प्रणुमो वयम् गैर्वाण्या संविबोधेन जीवनं मौल्यसंयुतं व्याकरोत्तान्नमाम्यम्बां शारदामूर्तरूपिणीम्. So as usual, I will be chanting 21 to 30 like we do every time when we complete 30 verses. And so that you will be able to find it online on YouTube. And I think the audio also will be uploaded on the course page. And you can practice. So all the 100 will be uploaded later once we complete the course or once we are nearing the completion. But now we will do 21 to 30 today after the first verse, following which you all can raise your hands and I will call out your names for individual chanting. Okay, so we will begin the revision. Aditi, one of our participants has requested for the WhatsApp group link. If you're able to share it, please share it either on chat or you could type the answer to the Q&A.
Sure.
So please, Dhanyavadaha. Whoever hasn't joined can join using that link. Okay, Lakshmi Ramasubramanian Bhagini.
Hari Om Beni.
Hari Om, Vadatu.
धृतिस्तम्भाधारां त्रिडगुणनिबद्धां सगमनां विचित्रां पद्माढ्यां प्रतिदिवससन्मार्गघटितां स्मरारे मच्चेतस्फुटपटकुटीं प्राप्य द्विषदां जयस्वामिन् शक्त्या सह शिवगणैः सेवित विभो.
Tamam. Tatra sphuta. Khu Mahaprana there should be clearer.
स्फुट
Sphuta.
मच्चेत स्फुट स्फुट.
Sphuta.
धन्यवादः.
Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादः.
Well chanted. Whoever finishes chanting, please lower your hand. Manikandan Mahodaya.
Namaskaram. Namaskaram. Amuda.
Amuda Bhagini.
Amuda.
Tatra Manikandan iti nama asti.
Husband, he only first is.
Chinta mastu. Vadatu Amuda Bhagini.
Namaskaram, madam.
Namaste. Vadatu.
प्रलोभोद्यैरर्था हरण परतन्त्रो धनिगृहे प्रवेशोद्युक्तः सन् भ्रमति बहुधा तस्करपते इमं चेतश्चोरं कथमिह सखे शङ्कर विभो तवाधीनं कृत्वा मयि निरपराधे कुरु कृपाम्.
उत्तमं. तत्र परसवर्ण सन्धि कृत्वा वक्तुं शक्यते. तवाधीनं कृत्वा. What you chanted is also correct. Tavadhinam kritva. But as a practice, let us try to combine the sandhi everywhere. Tavadhinam kritva.
Okay, madam. Can I chant that line only?
You can just, yes, last pada.
तवाधीनं कृत्वा मयि
तवाधीनं कृत्वा
तवाधीनं कृत्वा मयि निरपराधे कुरु कृपाम्.
उत्तमं भगिनी. Well chanted.
Namaskaram. Thank you.
Namaste. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Lakshmi Ramasubramanian Bhagini.
अहं कृतवती बहिनी.
कृतवती. अस्तु. इदानीं राधा जयन्ती भगिनी.
राम राम.
राम राम वदतु.
करोमि त्वत्पूजां.
तत्र let us not say करोमि इति न. करोमि त्वत्पूजाम्.
Okay. करोमि त्वत्पूजां सपदि सुखदो मे भव विभो विदित्वं विष्णुत्वं दिशसि खलु तस्याः प्रलयमिति.
फलमिति.
दिशसि खलु तस्याः फलमिति पुनश्च त्वां द्रष्टुं दिवि भुवि वहन पक्ष sorry
वाहन पक्षी मृगताम.
दिवि भुवि वहन् पक्षि मृगताम् अदृष्ट्वा
Tatra,
तत्
we are not supposed to say adrishtva. There is no d there. Adrishtva.
अदृष्ट्वा तत्खेदं कथमिह सहे शङ्कर विभो
Uttamam Bhagini. Well chanted. Please note the places where I corrected. Dhanyavadaha. Very good pitch. Next, Sri Vidya Balakrishnan Bhagini.
सदावा कैलासे कनकमणिसौधे सह गणैः वसन् शम्भोरग्रे पुटघटितमूर्धाञ्जलिपुटः विभो साम्ब स्वामिन् परमशिव पाहीति निगदन् विधातॄणां कल्पान् क्षणमिव विनेष्यामि सुखतः.
Uttamam. Tatra, Sri Vidya, do you want to share your video?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Then you can share any other children, young kids, if parents are or grandparents are there with them and you want them to share the video, you could let me know while chanting. Okay, Shri Vidya. Idanim screen tatra na drishyate bhavatyaha mukham. Adjust karotu tatra parivartanam karotu. Idanim samichinam asti. Vadatu. तत्र कदा वा कैलासे पुनः एकवारं वदतु.
सदा वा कैलासे कनकमणिसौधे सह गणैः वसन् शम्भोरग्रे स्फुटघटितमूर्धाञ्जलिपुटः विभो साम्ब स्वामिन् परमशिव पाहीति निगदन् विधातॄणां कल्पान् क्षणमैव विनेष्यामि सुखतः.
उत्तमम्. अग्रे वदतु. नेक्स्ट वर्स.
सवैर्ब्रह्मादीनां जय जय वचोभिर्नियमिनां गणानां केलिभिः मदकलमहोक्षस्य ककुदि स्थितन्नीलग्रीवं त्रिनयनमुमाश्लिष्टवपुषं कदा त्वां पश्येयं करधृतमृगं खण्डपरशुम्.
उत्तमम्.
तदा वा त्वां दृष्ट्वा गिरिश तव भव्याङ्घ्रियुगलं गृहीत्वा हस्ताभ्यां शिरसि नयने वक्षसि वहन् समाश्लिष्याघ्राय स्फुटजलजगन्धान् परिमलानलभ्यां ब्रह्माद्यैः मुदमनुभविष्यामि हृदये.
उत्तमम्.
सरस्ते मात्रौ गिरिशनिकटस्थे धनपतौ गृहस्थे स्वर्भूजामरसुरभिचिन्तामणिगणे शिरस्थे शीतांशौ चरणयुगलस्थेऽखिलशुभे कमर्थं धास्येऽहं भवतु भवदर्थं मम मनः. सारूप्यन्तव पूजने शिवमहादेवेति संकीर्तने सामीप्यं शिवभक्तिधुर्यजनता साङ्गत्य सम्भाषणे तालोक्यञ्च चराचरात्मकतनुध्याने भवानीपते युज्यं मम सिद्धमत्र भवति स्वामिन् कृतार्थोऽस्म्यहम्
कृतार्थोऽस्म्यहं पुनः वदतु स्वामिन् तत्र स्वामिन्
स्वामिन् कृतार्थोऽस्म्यहम्
उत्तमं
त्वत्पदाम्बुजमर्चयामि परमं त्वां चिन्तयाम्यन्वहम् त्वामीशं शरणौ रजामि वचसा त्वामेव याचे विभो वीक्षां मे दिश चाक्षुषीं सकरुणान् दिव्यैश्चिरं प्रार्थिताम् शम्भो लोकगुरो मदीय मनसः सौख्योपदेशं कुरु
तत्र विभज्य वक्तुं शक्यते सन्धिं कृत्वा अपि वक्तुं शक्यते लास्ट लाइन could you combine the sandhi and chant now मदीय मनसः सौख्योपदेशं कुरु
मदीय मनसः सौख्योपदेशं कुरु
उत्तमं both are correct okay splitting or combining both are right
वस्त्रोद्भूतविधौ सहस्रकरता पुष्पार्चने विष्णुता गन्धे गन्धवहात्मतान्नपचने बर्हिर्मुखाध्यक्षता पात्रे काञ्चन गर्भतास्ति मयि चेत् बालेन्दुचूडामणे शुश्रूषां करवाणि ते पशुपते स्वामिन् त्रिलोकी गुरो
उत्तमं तत्र शुश्रूषां करवाणि you took a break pause after शुश्रूषां you could also combine the parasavarna and chant there okay once again last line
शुश्रूषां करवाणि ते पशुपते स्वामिन् त्रिलोकी गुरो
Uttamam Srividye, well done. You have practiced well. Okay? Very good. Uttamam, dhanyavadaha. Keep up the practice and please target memorizing all 100, okay, by the time we complete the course. So all of you, we will have two kinds of assessments, Parayanam and Kantapata, not for the sake of assessment I'm saying, but it is a good, for our own sake, we can do the Parayanam, Nitya Parayanam. If you start from now, you will be able to memorize by the time we complete also. Dhanyavadaha Srividye, very good. Uttamam, well chanted.
Thank you.
Okay, next, Janaki Bhagini. If I call out your name twice by mistake, please let me know.
Okay, namaste Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini, vadatu.
हृते स्तम्भाधारां दृढगुणनिबद्धां सगमनां विचित्रां पद्माढ्यां प्रतिदिवससन्मार्गघटितां स्फुटपटकुटीं प्राप्य विशदां जय स्वामिन् शक्त्या सह शिवगणैः सेवित विभो
Bhagini, third line, please practice. Machetas phuta pata kutim. You chanted well, but this first time there was slight confusion.
Okay, Bhagini.
Abhyasam karotu. Uttamam. Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. That word, all of you, please note carefully. Machetas phuta pata kutim. The first pa in that sphu, that is Mahaprana. Next it is pa, pata kutim. That please practice. Next, Hemavati Shankar Bhagini.
अस्तु महोदय
Vadatu Bhagini.
प्रलोभाद्यैरर्थाहरणपरतन्त्रो धनिगृहे प्रवेशोद्युक्तः सन् भ्रमति बहुधा तस्करपते इमं चेतश्चोरं कथमिह सहे शङ्कर विभो तवाधीनं कृत्वा मयि निरपराधे कुरु कृपाम्. धन्यवादः.
Uttamam Bhagini. First line again.
प्रलोभाद्यैरर्था
Tatra. We are not supposed to stop at artha. It is artha harana paratantro. One word. Also, tha mahaprana should be clearer. Pralobhadyairatha harana paratantro. Punaha ekavaram vadatu.
प्रलोभाद्यैरर्थ हरणपरतन्त्रो धनिगृहे.
Tatra tha mahaprana should be clearer, Bhagini. Okay, please practice and
Okay.
not pause after artha. Okay, artha harana paratantro.
अस्तु भगिनि, धन्यवादः.
Dhanyavadah, Bhagini. Well done. Okay, next Uma Devi Bhagini. Yes, Uma Devi Bhagini vadatu ekavaram. Vadatu.
राम राम
Ram Ram.
करोमि त्वत्पूजां सपदि सुखदो मे भव विभो विधित्वा विष्णुत्वं दिशसि खलु तस्याः फलमिति पुनश्च त्वां द्रष्टुं दिवि भुवि वहन् पक्षिमृगताम् अदृष्ट्वा तत्खेदं कथमिह सहे शङ्कर विभो.
Uttamam Bhagini. Well done. Next. Madhubala Bhagini vadatu.
मैम नमस्ते मैम.
Namaste. Namaste Bhagini. Vadatu.
कदा वा कैलासे कनकमणिसौधे सह गणैः वसन् शम्भोरग्रे स्फुटघटितमूर्धाञ्जलिपुटः विभो साम्ब स्वामिन् परमशिव पाहीति निगदन् विधातॄणां कल्पान् क्षणमिव विनेष्यामि सुखतः.
Uttamam Bhagini. Tatra Moordhanjaliputaha. That repha there, that Moordhanjaliputaha should be clearer. That is one observation. Secondly, last line, Vidhatrunam iti vaktavyam. Vidhatrunam iti na vaktavyam. It is not who. Okay, Vidhatrunam kalpan. Dhanyavada.
विधातॄणां.
Yes. So please.
विधातॄणां कल्पन्.
But
Thank you,
ukara
ma'am.
should come. U should come. R should be heard. Dhanyavada. That's a very beautiful swara in Sanskritam. Rikara. Rishihi, Rituhu, Krishnaha. That R, Kripa. So, Matrinam, Pitrinam. So there that R should be heard clearly. It shouldn't be heard as either Ru or as Ri. We don't have an exact equivalent representation in English, which is why if you see the IAST, we write RN with the two dots below in IAST. So it's neither RI nor is it RU. That accurate pronunciation you must get. It's a very, very unique swara. And of course, here it is a Gunitaksharam combined with Ta. Uttamam. Next. Kamala Shankar Bhagini.
राम राम भगिनी.
Ram Ram Bhagini vadatu. Tavair Brahmadinam. Kamala Shankar Bhagini kim abhavat? I can't hear you, Bhagini. Maybe have you muted yourself? I could hear initially. Okay, we can't hear you, Kamala Shankar Bhagini. Sri Lata Bhagini.
नमस्ते
Namaste, vadatu.
स्तवैर्ब्रह्मादीनां जय जय वचोभिर्नियमिनां गणानां केलिभिः मदकलमहोक्षस्य ककुदि स्थितन्नीलग्रीवं त्रिनयनमुमाश्लिष्टवपुषं कदा त्वां पश्येयं करधृतमृगं कण्ठपरुषं परशुम्
Tatra karadhrita mrigang khanda parashum. Each word should be clear. Each letter should be clear. Also, gananam, gananam. Say that word.
गणना
Tatra, the second na, no, you are saying it similar to the third letter here. Gananam. So when you say the second na, your tongue will hit the roof of the mouth. Gananam. Okay, the second na. Yes. So for this, all this difference between na and na, the place of origin is different. If you remember, all of you, we had this session on rules of pronunciation. Please go back to that. Note the place of pronunciation of Murdhanya letters and ta, ta, da, dha, na. So where exactly do those letters originate? Okay, danta, talu. And na, we twist the tongue upwards. Okay, gananam. That should be clear. And yeah, trinayana mumashlishtha vapusham. Again, pronunciation of sh. Ashlishta. This sh in shli and this sh are different. And vapusham, of course, this sh and this sh are the same. So note the difference between the murdhanya sha, the way we pronounce it. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
धन्यवाद
All these nuances we must keep in mind while pronouncing, which is why please keep revisiting that lesson on the tips of pronunciation and the rules of pronunciation. Sheila Tirugyanam ji.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Kada va tvam drishtva girishadav bhavyanghriyugalam.
Bhavyanghriyugalam. Bhavyanghrina. Bhavyangri.
Bhavyanghriyugalam grihitva hastabhyam.
Dirgha. Grihitva.
Grihitva hastabhyam.
There no Mahaprana Bhagini. Hastabhyam, only bha is Mahaprana. Ta is Alpaprana.
Grihitva.
Grihitva. You are saying grihitva. It is grihitva.
Grihitva asthabhyam.
Tatra Bhagini Kshamyatam. You are chanting hastabhyam. It is hastabhyam.
Grihitva astabhyam shirasi nayani vakshasi vahan samaslishya graya.
Again, samashlishya. That samashlishya. Here, this particular sha, it is not sakara. It is not samashli. It is samashlishyagraya.
Samashlishyagraya. Sputa jala jaganthan parimala.
Sputa, only pa is Mahaprana and dha. Only two Mahapranas here. We are not supposed to say Mahapranas where they are not there. Sputa jala jaganthan.
Sputa jala jaganthan parimala nalabhyam brahmadyaihi मुदमनुभविष्यामि हृदये.
Bhagini, tatra again, you tend to pronounce the next letter as Mahaprana. So, sputha itina, sputa. This ta should be Alpa Prana only. Please pay attention to that.
Sputa.
Parimala,
Sputa.
Parimalanalabhyam. There we don't stop because there is a hyphen. It is one Samastapadam. Parimalanalabhyam. Please practice, Bhagini, this
Okay.
one. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.
So please pay attention to Alpa Pranas and Mahapranas. Where there is no Mahaprana, we are not supposed to chant it as a Mahaprana. Then, Karasthe Hemadrau, Dr. V. Sujata Bhagini. Vadatu Bhagini.
Ramdam Didi.
Ram Vadatu.
करस्थे हेमाद्रौ गिरिशनिकटस्थे धनपतौ गृहस्थे स्वर्भुजा अमर
Grihasthe Svarbhujamarasurabi.
गृहस्थे स्वर्भुजामरसुरभि चिन्तामणिगणे
Tatra, we are not supposed to split Bhagini. Svarbhujamarasurabi Chintamani Gane.
गृहस्थे स्वर्भुजामरसुरभि चिन्तामणिगणे. Okay, Didi?
Okay, yes. Raga was slightly different, but that's okay. Shirasthe.
Okay. शिरस्थे शीतांशो चरणयुगलस्थेऽखिलशुभे कमर्थं दास्येऽहं भवतु भवदर्थं मम मनः.
Uttamam Bhagini. Tatra Shitam Shau. The Aukara should be more clearly heard. It shouldn't be heard as Okara. Shitam Shau.
शीतांशौ.
Uttamam Bhagini. Well chanted.
Thank you, Didi.
Where are you joining us from?
I am from Chhattisgarh.
Chhattisgarh. Okay.
Bhilai.
Bhilai. Uttamam. Your pronunciation is good. Just that some aspects you should be more pay more attention to. So please listen to the recordings again and again and practice. That would help. Dhanyavada.
Okay, Didi. Thank you. Thank you.
Uma Maheshwari Bhagini. Next one. Sarupyantava.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste Vadatu.
Sarupyam tava pujane Shiva Mahadevēti Sankirtane.
Sankirtane. I heard it as ga. Ka, little bit clearer. Sankirtane.
Sankirtane. Samipyam Shiva Bhakti Durya Janata Sangatya Sambhashane. Salokyancha Characharatmakatanudhyane Bhavani Pate. Sayujyam Mama Siddhai Matra Bhavati Swamin Kritartosmyaham.
One general thing, you can chant slower so that your letters are clearer. The last line.
Sayujyam Mama Siddha Matra Bhavati Swamin Kritartosmyaham.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted. While practicing, it helps to practice with with a slower speed. Okay, next. Those who have finished chanting, please lower your hands. Sushila Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini Vadatu.
पादाम्बुजमर्चयामि परमं त्वां चिन्तयाम्यन्वहम् त्वामीशं शरणं व्रजामि वचसा त्वामेव याचे विभो वीक्षां मे दिश चाक्षुषीं सकरुणां दिव्यैश्चिरं प्रार्थितां शम्भो लोकगुरो मदीयमनसः सौख्योपदेशं कुरु.
Kuru. There we should not prolong it as kuru. Then it would be heard as a dirgha in the end. Kuru. Uttamam bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Well done. Next. Aditya ji. Aditya ji vadatu.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
I am Mangala.
Mangala bhagini. Vastu vadatu bhagini.
Vastrodutavidau sahasrakarata.
Bhagini, please chant the Mahaprana clearly. Vastrodhuta vidhau sahasrakarata.
Vastrodutavidau sahasrakarata. Pushparchane Vishnuta. Ghante Ghandavahat.
There you are giving Mahaprana to Gha, whereas there is no Mahaprana to Gha. It is Gandhe Gandhavahat Matanna Pachane. So only Dha is Mahaprana Bhagini. Ga should be Alpa Prana. Please pay attention to that and chant once again, please.
Gandhe Gandhavahat Madanna Pachane. Barhir Mugadhyakshata.
Mukhadhyakshata. Barhir Mukhadhyakshata.
Barhir Mugadhyakshata. Patre Kanchana Garbhatasti Mayi Chet. Balendu Chudamane. Shushrusham Karavanite Pashupate.
Okay. There you can combine the Sandhi Bhagini. Shushrusham Karavani.
Shushrusham Karavanite Pashupate. Swamin Triloki Guru.
Uttamam Bhagini.
Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha. All of you, please note not to interchange the Mahapranas. Lalita Krishnamurti Bhagini. Lalita Krishnamurti Bhagini, next one.
Namaskar.
Namaste.
I want to join the WhatsApp group also. Please.
Okay. Aditi, please send it to everyone here in this group. I think you can answer publicly or you can share on chat.
Yes,
where
I
everybody
have answered publicly for about 4 questions.
Okay.
If there's anybody else, I'll if they put up a question, I'll be able to answer.
Okay, I am not. Okay, I also can't see the answer.
It'll come under the answered in Q&A.
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Lalita ji, Aditi has already answered. She has answered thrice actually. So please check the answered and you will get. You want to chant Lalita Bhagini?
Yes.
Tritistambhadharam. Yeah.
Tritistambhadharam Tridaguna Nibadham Savamanam Vijitram Patnatyam Pradidivasa Sannargaginam Swarare Machedaspuda Padakutim Kapya Vishadam Jayaswamin Shakya Sagashiva Ganair Sevita Vivo.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Mahapranas, yes, you are aware, but I understand that you need more breath control for that. So with practice, you will be able to do it. Saumini Ramakrishnan Bhagini.
राम 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 भगिनी
Ram.
प्रलोभाध्यैरर्थाहरणपरतन्त्रो धनिगृहे प्रवेशोद्युक्तः सन्ने भ्रमति वधु बहुधा तस्करपदे
Dha Mahaprana.
भ्रमति बहुधा तस्करपदे इमं चेदश्चोरं कदमिह सखे शङ्कर विभो तवाधीनं कृत्वा मयि निरपराधे कुरु कृपाम्.
Uttamam Bhagini. Very well chanted. Dhanyavadaha. Okay. Sujata Muralidharan Bhagini. It's really inspiring to see, very young children to very senior citizens joining us and learning with so much enthusiasm. It's really a blessing for all of us. Sujata ji, vadatu.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste, vadatu.
करोमि त्वत्पूजां सपदि सुखदो मे भव विभो विधित्वं विष्णुत्वं दिशसि खलु तस्याः फलमिति पुनश्च त्वां दृष्ट्वं
Adrishtvam drashtum, not drishtvam. Punascha tvam drashtum.
पुनश्च त्वां द्रष्टुं दिवि भुवि वहन् पक्षिमृगताम् अदृष्ट्वा तत्खेदं कथमिह सहे शङ्कर विभो.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted. Rajalakshmi Krishnan Bhagini. Rajalakshmi Krishnan Bhagini.
भगिनी नमस्ते.
Namaste, vadatu.
कदा वा कैलासे कनकमणिसौधे सह गणैः वसन् शम्भोरग्रे स्फुटघटितमूर्धाञ्जलिपुटः विभो साम्ब स्वामिन् परमशिव पाहीति निगदन् विधातॄणां कल्पान् क्षणमिव विनेष्यामि सुखतः.
Uttamam Bhagini. Tatra, slight thing here. It is Vidhatrinam. Slightly that extra tu was heard. Vidhatrinam. It was heard like a dvitvam. So there is no tu there. Vidhatrinam.
विधातॄणां कल्पान्.
So there we should take care to not make it sound like a samyukta akshara or a dvitvam. There is no extra tu there. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Dhanyavada. Just one note Bhagini. Sri Vidya, the little girl, she said so well. I was feeling very inferior. She is great, fantastic. I'm so proud of her. She's wonderful. I just wanted to let you know that.
Yes, thank you so much, Bhagini. Sri Vidya must be here. I think she heard it. So congratulations, Sri Vidya. And thank you for your kind words, but also there is no need to feel any, feel inferior or anything, because all of us are, see, in Sanskritam there is a saying, Nahi vayaha tejaso hetuhu. Okay, so whichever age, whenever we start, that's okay. I mean, those who have started young, good, very good. But whatever age we can, in this Shivananda Lahari only he says, no, Shankaracharya tells us, whichever ashrama we are in, whichever stage of life, so we can do this.
Right.
So, yes, but it's very inspiring to see all students of all ages here. Dhanyawad.
Absolutely, very true. Thank you. Dhanyawad.
Anuradha Kannan Bhagini, did you chant? Sorry if you already chanted.
Ramna Bhagini, no, not yet.
You haven't. Okay. 25, yes.
Yeah, 25. Stavair Brahmadinam जय जय वचोभिर्नियमिनां गणानां केलिभिः मदकलमहोक्षस्य ककुदि हितं नीलग्रीवं त्रिनयनमुमाश्लिष्टवपुषं कदा त्वां पश्येयं करधृतमृगं खण्डपरशुम्.
Uttamam Bhagini. You yourself corrected the last two words. So very good, very well chanted. Rajalakshmi Krishnan Bhagini. I think already chanted, right? Those who have chanted, please.
Yeah, Bhagini. Bhagini. I already chanted just now.
Okay, Uttamam. Neeraja Shekhar ji. Neeraja Shekhar Bhagini.
Namo Namaha Mahodaya.
Shirisha Bhagini is chanting, is it?
Yeah, I was asked to unmute.
Okay. Yeah, please chant.
Okay. Kada va tvan drishtva girisha tava bhavyanghriyugalam grihitva hastabhyam shirasi nayane vakshasi vahan samashlishyaghraya स्फुटजलजगन्धान् परिमलानलभ्यां ब्रह्माद्यैः मुदमनुभविष्यामि हृदये.
Tatra Brahmadyaihi Bhagini. It is not Brahma. Brahmadyaihi. Ba is Alpa Prana only. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
धन्यवाद.
Next, Neeraja Shekhar Bhagini.
Ram Bhagini.
Namaste, vadatu.
Karaste Hemadrau.
Karaste tha Mahaprana.
Karaste Hemadrau. Girishanikataste Dhanapatau.
Again, Nikataste tha Mahaprana.
गिरिशनिकटस्थे धनपतौ गृहस्थे स्वर्भुजामरसुरभिचिन्तामणिगणे.
Manigane. It is not Manigane. Manigane.
मणिगणे शिरस्थे शीतांशौ चरणयुगलस्ते किल शुभे कमर्तं दास्येऽहं भवतु भवदर्थं मम मनः.
Bhavatu bhavadartham. Mahapranas clearly. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Thank you.
Well chanted. Next, Padma Dugirala Bhagini.
Hari Om. Namaste ji.
Namaste.
सारूप्यन्तव पूजने शिव महादेवेति संकीर्तने सामीप्यं शिव भक्ति धुर्यजनता सांगत्य संभाषणे सालोक्यञ्च चराचरात्मकतनुध्याने भवानीपते सायुज्यं मम सिद्धमत्र भवति स्वामिन् कृतार्थोऽस्म्यहम्.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Lalita Muthuswami Bhagini. Please chant.
Yeah, namaste.
Namaste.
Tvatpadambujamachayam.
Tvatpadambujam.
Tvatpadambujamachayam.
Please, attention.
Tvatpadambuja.
You practice, you are chanting pa as Mahaprana. Tvatpadambuja.
Tvatpadambujamachayami paramam tvanchintayam yanvaham tvamisham sharanam vrajami vachasa tvameva yache vibho वीक्षामेधि साक्षुषीं सकरुणां दिव्यैश्चिरं प्रार्थितां शम्भो लोकगुरो मतीयमनसः सौख्योपदेशं कुरु.
Few observations, Bhagini. It's okay, you don't have to repeat, but just you can pay attention to these. It is not Tvat Padambuja. Tvat Padambuja Marchayami. Alpa Prana. Plain Alpa Prana. Tvat Padambuja Marchayami. Then the difference between Sha and Sha, that should be clearer. Viksham Medisha Chakshushim Sakarunam Divyaish Prarthitam. So please note those, that Sa, Sha and Sha, and Madiya Manasas Saukhyopadesham Kuru. You can try to chant it together also, combining the Sandhi. Dhanyawad.
Okay.
Well chanted. Next, Bhramaramba Bhagini. Bhramaramba Bhagini.
Namaste, madam.
Namaste, vadatu.
वस्त्रोद्धूतविधौ सहस्रकरता पुष्पार्चने विष्णुता.
एकवारं
वस्त्रोद्धूतविधौ सहस्रकरता पुष्पार्चने विष्णुता.
Not pusparchane, pushparchane. Sh.
वस्त्रोद्धूतविधौ सहस्रकरता पुष्पार्चने विष्णुता. गन्धे गन्धवहात्मतान्नवचने बर्हिर्मुखाध्यक्षता. पात्रे काञ्चनगर्भतास्ति मयि चेत् बालेन्दुचूडामणे. शुश्रूषां करवाणि ते शुश्रूषां करवाणि ते पशुपते स्वामिन् त्रिलोकी गुरो.
Tamam Bhagini. I know we have run out of time, but there are others who have raised their hands. Maybe I will just give a few more participants a chance to chant today. Those who want to leave, I know you'll have other things to do, you could leave. We will meet next Saturday. And also, some of you have said the PDF is not downloading. For me, it did. So please check once again, and I will also check with the team. We will continue with a few more today. Maithili Gauri Shankar Bhagini. Maithili Gauri Shankar Bhagini Vadatu. Okay, Kamakshi Bhagini.
Ram Ram, Namaste Bhagini. Dhritistambhadharam Dridhagunanibadham Sagamanam Vichitram Padmadhyam Pradidivasa Sanmarka Ghatitam Smarare Machetas Putapatakutim Prapya Vishadam Jayaswamin Shaktya Saha Shiva Ganai Sevita Vibho.
Tamam Bhagini. Next, Aditya ji. If you already chanted, please let me know. I think, okay, Kamakshi Bhagini just chanted. Maithili Gauri Shankar Bhagini, you didn't chant, right?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, please chant.
Pralobhadyairat Harana paratantro dhanigrihe praveshodhyuttasan brahmati bahudha taskarapate imam chetaschoram katamiha sahe shankara vibho tavadhinam kritva Mayi niraparade kuru kripam.
Mahapranas Bhagini. Kathamiha Shankara Vibho Niraparadhe. They should be clearer. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Gauri Ravi Bhagini. Gauri Ravi ji.
Yeah. करोमि त्वत्पूजां सपदि सुखदो मे भव विभो विधित्वं विष्णुत्वं दिशसि खलु तस्याः फलमिति पुनश्च त्वां द्रष्टुं दिवि भुवि वहन् पक्षिमृगताम् अदृष्ट्वा तत्खेदं कथमिह सहे शङ्कर विभो.
Uttamam. Punascha. Please note that pronunciation. It should not be heard as sa, as sha. Punascha.
Punascha.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Uttamam. Tirumalai ji.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
Kada va kailase कर्णकमणि सौधे सह गणैः वसन् शम्भोरग्रे स्फुटगठितमूर्धाञ्जलिपुटः
Sphuta ta is alpa prana. Ghatita ta is alpa prana. Sphuta ghatita. Once again.
Sputaghatita murdhanjaliputah.
Sputa ghatita. You are chanting ta as prana.
Shall I repeat it once?
Yes.
Vasan Shambhoragre Sputaghatita Murdhanjaliputah Vibho Sambaswamin Paramashiva Pahiti Nigadan Vidhatrunam Kalpan Kshanamiva Vineshyami Sukhatah.
Bhagini, tatra sphuta ghatita. Again, you are chanting it as sphuta gathita. You are chanting gathita. It is ghatita. So please note the difference. You listen to the recording and practice. So all of us, some of us, we have a tendency to interchange the Mahapranas, so that we should avoid. Krishnaveni Bhagini, 25. When I call out your name, please unmute. Yeah.
1 minute. Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste,
Brahmadinam Jaya Jaya. Sorry. Jaya Jaya Vachobhirniyami. Jaya Jaya Vachobhirniyaminam Gananam Kelibihi Madakalamagokshasya Kakudi. Sthitam Nilagrivam Trinayanamumaslishhtavapusham Kadatvam Pashyeyam. Kadatvam Pashyeyam Karadhritamrigam Khandaparashum.
Bhagini, here Trinayana Mumashlishtha Vapusham, that sha and sha difference should be clearer. And Sthitan Nila Grivam, there also it should be slightly clearer, Bhagini.
Okay. Sthitam Nila Grivam Trinayana.
Dhanyavada. Sorry, we have already run out of time, so we don't have too much. I don't think I'll be able to give everyone a chance, whoever has raised their hands. Natesh Mahodaya.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste. Namaste, Bhagini. Bhavatyaha.
Kada va tvam drishtva girisha tava bhavyanghriyugalam grihitva hastabhyam shirasi nayane vakshasi vahan समाश्लिष्टाग्राय
समाश्लिष्याघ्राय
समाश्लिष्याघ्राय स्फुटजलजगन्धान् परिमला
परिमलानलभ्याम्
परिमलाभ्य न लभ्याम् ब्रह्माद्यैः मुदमनुभविष्यामि
हृदये not हृदये. Please practice Bhagini, and also why it's so important. Mudam anubhavishyami means mudam, that bliss I experience in my heart. Madam is completely different. Madam means that ego and that just one change of one ukara completely changes or reverses the meaning. Completely opposite. Only when you have that Shivanandam, you get rid of all this mada, ahankara and all. Okay, so mudam anubhavishyami hridaye. Please note that. Srinivasa Rao Madhurakavi ji. Srinivasa Rao Madhurakavi Mahodaya.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste, vadatu.
Karasthe Madrau Girisha Nikatasthe Dhanapatau Grihasthe Svarbhuja Grihasthe Grihasthe Svarbhuja Marasuraabhichinta Manigane Sirasthe Shitam Shau Charu Charana Yugalasthe Khila Shubhem Charana Yugalasthe Khila Shubhe Kamarthandasyeham Bhavatu Bhavadartham Mama Manaha.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Well chanted. We will complete till 30 and conclude for today. Shankari Ramesh Bhagini.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Namaste.
सारूप्यन्तव पूजने शिव महादेवेति संकीर्तने सामीप्यं शिव भक्तिधुर्यजनता सांगत्य संभाषणे सालोक्यं च चराचरात्मकतनुध्याने भवानीपते सायुज्यं मम सिद्धिमत्र सायुज्यं मम सिद्धमत्र भवति स्वामिन् कृतार्थोऽस्म्यहम् कृतार्थोऽस्म्यहम् सायुज्यम्.
Uttamam Bhagini. That is you have chanted well. Next Shubha Bhagini.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram Bhagini vadatu.
Vatpadambujamarchayami paramam Tvam chintayamyanmaham Tvamisham sharanam rajami vachasa Tvameva yache vibho Viksham me disha chakshushim Sakarunam Divyaischchiram prarthitam Shambho Lokaguro Madhya Manasa Saukhyopadesham Kuru.
Tatra Madhya Manasaha. If you're going to stop, that visarga should be heard clearly. Otherwise, you can combine Madhya Manasas Saukhyopadesham Kuru. But it should be heard clearly, Bhagini, either ways. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. Uttamam. Next, Manas De Mahodaya. Yeah, please unmute.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram vadatu.
Vastradhuta bidhau sahasrakarata Pushparchani Vishnuta गन्धे गन्धबहात्मतान्न पचने बहिर्मुखाद्धक्षता पात्रे काञ्चन गर्भतास्ति मयि चेत् बालेन्दुचूडामणि शुश्रूषां करवाणि ते
शुश्रूषां
करवाणि ते
शुश्रूषां.
Yes, I got it. Shushrushaं karvani te pashupate swamin triloki guru.
Tamam Mahodaya. The first line, Vastrodhuta Vidhau. Please note that clearly. Vastrodhuta Vidhau. Ratna Bhagini, Kripaya Vadatu. The same shloka, Ratna Bhagini.
वस्त्रोद्धूतविधौ सह
Vastrodhuta
वस्त्रोद्धूतविधौ सह
Bhagini, you are chanting Vastrodhuta. It is Vastrodhuta. There are two the and the there.
वस्त्रोद्धूतविधौ सहस्रकरता पुष्पार्चने विष्णुता गन्धे गन्धवहात्मतान्न पचने बर्हिर्मुखाध्यक्षता पात्रे काञ्चन गर्भतास्ति मयि चेत् बालेन्दुचूडामणि शुश्रूषां करवाणि ते पशुपते स्वामिन् त्रिलोकी गुरो.
Tamam Bhagini. Neelamma Bhagini, please chant Sarupyam Tava.
सारूप्यं तव पूजने शिव महादेवेति संकीर्तने सामीप्यं शिव भक्तिधुर्यजनता सांगत्य संभाषणे सालोक्यं च चराचरात्मकतनुध्याने भवानी पते सायुज्यं मम सिद्धमत्र भवति स्वामिन् कृतार्थोऽस्म्यहम्.
Uttamam Bhagini. Kritarthosmyaham. Please note the exact pronunciation of that word. Lakshmi NRS Bhagini.
नमस्ते भगिनी, धन्यवादः. त्वत्पादाम्बुजमर्चयामि परमं त्वां चिन्तयाम्यन्वहं त्वामीशं शरणं व्रजामि वचसा त्वामेव याचे विभो वीक्षां मे दिश चाक्षुषीं सकरुणां दिव्यैश्चिरं प्रार्थिताम्. शम्भो लोकगुरो मदीयमनसौ शम्भो लोकगुरो मदीयमनस्सौख्योपदेशम्.
Natu Bhagini. Madhiya manasas saukhyopadesham kuru.
शम्भो लोकगुरो मदीयमनसः सौख्योपदेशं कुरु.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Tvatpadambuja marchayami. We should not chant Tvatpadambuja marchayami. We should split there. Tvatpadambujam archayami. Together, Tvatpadambuja marchayami. Next, okay, we'll take Monica Bhagini. Monica R Bhagini. Vadatu. We will conclude with this. Monica R Bhagini Vadatu. नास्ति इति मन्ये मोनिका भगिनी. Who has not chanted?
Unmute. Okay, that's unmuted.
वदतु भगिनी. मोनिका भगिनी वदतु कृपया.
वस्त्रोद्धूत विधौ सहस्रकरता पुष्पार्चने विष्णुता गन्धे गन्धवहात्मतान्नपचने बर्हिर्मुखाध्यक्षता पात्रे काञ्चन गर्भतास्ति मयि चेत् बालेन्दुचूडामणे शुश्रूषां करवाणि ते पशुपते स्वामिन् त्रिलोकी गुरो.
Tamam Bhagini, Dhanyavadaha. I think most of you who wanted to chant could chant today. I'm sorry if still there are a few who haven't chanted. Next, we'll have more chances like this. And we have so many of you still in class. Thank you so much. So we will conclude with Shanti Mantraha. And next class, we will continue with verse 31. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. सर्वेभ्यः धन्यवादाः. आगामि शनिवासरे पुनर्मिलामः. राम राम राम.